How to use the voice record tool on VN Video Editor app. So you want to voice over that video you're editing and you're using the VN Video Editor app. Let's get started. As always, make sure you have the latest update and I'll show you where to go to find this tool and how to go about using it. So let's just say you have your video within VN Editor at the moment and you're ready to start voicing over. So you want to go to the part that has the tap to add music right there. This icon here, as you tap on it one time, these are going to show up for you. And when they show up for you, you'll see the record option right here, the red one. So when you tap on it, this is going to show up for you. Now, when you're ready to start recording, simply you are going to tap or press and hold to record. Now, as I tap on it, I'll go ahead and record for you. This is a guide on how to use the VN Video Editor app record tool. Now, once you're done, this is going to show up like this here. And there are certain things that you can go about doing now, such as adjusting the volume, split it, trim it, and also delete it if you don't like it. But if you do like it, you can press the check mark and save it. If you don't, press the X and you'll start back fresh. So let's say you want to save it. Now this is going to show up for you. And before you go about locking it, duplicating it, or any of those stuff here, you can make changes to it. So the red one will always be the voice recorded tool to let you know which is the voice recording one that you made. All right, so if you recorded a voice, it will appear like this here in red. So maybe you tapped away from it and you'll see it here. You can come back and tap on it and notice these tools will appear here. So with the voice record tool and after recording your voice, you can adjust the volume of it. And you can hear it here. Is a guide on how to use the VN Video Editor app record tool. Okay, and then you also have the fade, so you can have it start fade in if it starts off too loud and fade out as well. And if you have multiple sounds that you've recorded, you can apply it to all if you did, okay? So you can tap on it once again, and then you will have the split, the denoise, and then the captions. So basically, if you recorded yourself and you want to insert captions, you can tap on it, and it's going to generate it for you. It'll go based on the language and will convert it and generate it for you. I'll do that in another video. But basically, once you're done with all this here, you can now go ahead and let's say you recorded your voice, but it's in the wrong spot. You can hold it down. You'll select it like this here, hold it to drag it to where you want it to be, all right? And that's basically it for this guide, just using the voice record tool. And of course, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.